Today, I have with me my friend and colleague, Humaira.
Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here and learn Urdu with you, Shireen. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you for being here. So before we begin, I just want to share a quick story about how Humaira came into my life. At the company where we work, when a new person's hired, he or she is given an onboarding buddy. So I just happened to be selected as Humaira's onboarding buddy. The minute I saw her name, I just knew that I was going to have her on my podcast. I'm just super glad that she was okay with my vision.
Are you kidding? I think this is super cool, but also I think that's why the first day we met, you brought me food because you wanted to bribe me into the podcast.
So not true. Oh my God. I understand why you would come to that conclusion, but you're wrong. So I'm really happy you decided to join me. All right, so let's get started. Do you want to tell our listeners what our topic for today is?
Sure. Today we'll ask one another what kind of food we like and talk a little bit about cooking. So let's begin with part 1.
Let's.
आपको कौन सा किस्म का खाना पसंद है?
वैसे तो मुझे हर किस्म का गोश्त पसंद है, लेकिन मैं गोश्त कम खाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। क्या आपको गोश्त पसंद है?
मैं गोश्त नहीं खाती हूँ। आपको गोश्त के अलावा क्या पसंद है?
वैसे तो मुझे खाना बनाना नहीं आता, तो मेरी अम्मी जो भी बनाती हैं वो खा लेती हूँ। आपको खाना बनाना आता है?
हाँ, मैं बड़े शौक से बना लेती हूँ। मेरी पालक पनीर ज़बरदस्त होती है।
अच्छा, मुझे खानी पड़ेगी एक दिन।
ज़रूर।
Let's hear that one more time.
आपको कौन सा किस्म का खाना पसंद है?
वैसे तो मुझे हर किस्म का गोश्त पसंद है, लेकिन मैं गोश्त कम खाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। क्या आपको गोश्त पसंद है?
मैं गोश्त नहीं खाती हूँ। आपको गोश्त के अलावा क्या पसंद है?
वैसे तो मुझे खाना बनाना नहीं आता, तो मेरी अम्मी जो भी बनाती हैं वो खा लेती हूँ। आपको खाना बनाना आता है?
हाँ, मैं बड़े शौक से बना लेती हूँ। मेरी पालक पनीर ज़बरदस्त होती है।
अच्छा, मुझे खानी पड़ेगी एक दिन।
ज़रूर।
Okay, so now I will say all the lines in Urdu and Humaira will translate them. आपको कौन सा किस्म का खाना पसंद है?
What type of food do you like?
वैसे तो मुझे हर किस्म का गोश्त पसंद है, लेकिन मैं गोश्त कम खाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ। क्या आपको गोश्त पसंद है?
Well, I like all types of meat, but I am trying to eat less meat. Do you like meat?
मैं गोश्त नहीं खाती हूँ। आपको गोश्त के अलावा क्या पसंद है?
I do not eat meat. What do you like other than meat?
वैसे तो मुझे खाना बनाना नहीं आता, तो मेरी अम्मी जो भी बनाती हैं वो खा लेती हूँ। आपको खाना बनाना आता है?
Well, I don't know how to cook, so I eat whatever my mom makes. Do you know how to cook?
हाँ, मैं बड़े शौक से बना लेती हूँ। मेरी पालक पनीर ज़बरदस्त होती है।
Yes, I cook with great enjoyment. My palak paneer is amazing.
अच्छा, मुझे खानी पड़ेगी एक दिन।
Oh, I'll have to try it one day.
ज़रूर.
Of course. Now, part 3, we'll talk in more detail about each line.
Okay, so Humaira begins by asking, आपको कौन सा किस्म का खाना पसंद है? को is a postposition and it means to or at. And of course, आप is only used if you're talking to someone older than you or a stranger, or if you want to show respect. And आप means you. If it's a friend or someone you know well, then you'd likely not be so formal. You'd use तुम. Humaira and I haven't actually spoken with each other in Urdu outside of this episode, but I imagine that if we did, we would likely refer to each other using तुम. But actually, Humaira would refer to me with आप because I'm pretty sure that I'm older than her.
Okay, Miss Up.
Yes, we have this inside joke where we each think that we're older than the other. So,
But
I'm
I
pretty
think
sure
we
I'm
can
right.
say tum because now we're good friends.
This is true. This is true.
Okay, let's get back to the dialogue. Let's say that we do want to be formal. I'll give a few examples of other sentences that use aap ko. If I want to say you should eat, I would say aap ko khana chahiye. Aap ko khana chahiye. Or if I want to ask, do you want to eat with me? That would be आपको मेरे साथ खाना है? आपको मेरे साथ खाना है?
Good examples. Okay, let's continue. कौन सा किस्म का means which type of. Here, का means of. Khana means food. Pasand means like. And hai is our to be verb meaning is. So, आपको कौन सा किस्म का खाना पसंद है means what type of food do you like?
To that question, you answered, वैसे तो मुझे हर किस्म का गोश्त पसंद है, लेकिन मैं गोश्त कम खाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. क्या आपको गोश्त पसंद है? So let's look at that response in parts. Let's start with मुझे हर किस्म का गोश्त पसंद है. मुझे हर किस्म का गोश्त पसंद है means I like all types of meat. Earlier, we said kisam means type. So har kisam ka means all types of. Gosht means meat. Mujhe is the oblique case of main, which means I. We use the oblique case of the pronoun when the pronoun is followed by a postposition. If that made no sense whatsoever, don't worry. You'll notice that we have the postposition ga. That is why we use the oblique case. In the handout for this episode, you'll see all the pronouns and their oblique cases, so be sure to download that.
Now let's look at वैसे तो. I would say वैसे तो most closely means well. It's a filler word. Examples of filler words in English are like, I mean, by the way, exactly, and so on. So I'm saying, well, I like all types of meat. Then I continue to say, लेकिन मैं गोश्त कम खाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. So, लेकिन means but, गोश्त means meat, kam means less, khane is a conjugation of the verb khana, which means to eat.
So, मैं गोश्त कम खाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ means I am trying to eat less meat. कम खाने means eat less. You'll see that koshish often has the word ki before it. Khane ki koshish. Sone ki koshish. Khane ki koshish means the effort of eating. And sone ki koshish would be the effort of sleeping. Main sone ki koshish kar rahi hoon means I am trying to sleep. And if you remember from a previous episode, karna means to do. So koshish karna means to try. मैं गोश्त कम खाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. I am trying to eat less meat. Are you really trying to eat less meat?
I am, actually. So this month I haven't had meat at all, and I'm noticing a difference in like my anxiety levels. They've definitely gone down. So
Oh my God.
It's been interesting.
I'm super anxious, so I have to try that.
But I thought you said you don't eat meat. Do you eat meat? Oh, you eat halal.
I eat halal, and I tried being vegan for a while.
That's
but now, I can't. And it's very hard to cook vegan.
Yeah, I'm sure. I can't. First of all, I don't even know how to cook, so I don't even know what that would look like.
Okay, so let's finish off your line. Then you asked, क्या आपको गोश्त पसंद है? That means, do you like meat?
Right. And you answered the question, क्या आपको गोश्त पसंद है? By saying, मैं गोश्त नहीं खाती हूँ. She changed खाना to खाती because she's a woman. If I had asked this to a man, how would he answer, Humaira?
He'd say, मैं गोश्त नहीं खाता हूँ.
Exactly. So what do both those sentences mean? मैं गोश्त नहीं खाता or खाती हूँ. They both mean I do not eat meat. Then you asked me, आपको गोश्त के अलावा क्या पसंद है? Let's start with के अलावा because that's the only new word or phrase that we haven't covered yet. के अलावा means except, besides, or other than. So she's asking, आपको गोश्त के अलावा क्या पसंद है?
We know that आपको क्या पसंद है means what do you like? So what do you think आपको गोश्त के अलावा क्या पसंद है means?
It means, what do you like besides meat? Or what do you like other than meat? Humaira, can you provide another example using the phrase के अलावा?
Sure. आपको काम के अलावा क्या पसंद है? And that means what do you like besides work? Or what do you like other than work?
That's a good one.
Okay, so let's take a look at your response to the question, आपको गोश्त के अलावा क्या पसंद है? You started this response in the same way you started your previous response with वैसे तो, which means, well, वैसे तो मुझे खाना बनाना नहीं आता. Khana banana means to make food. And if you say मुझे नहीं आता, that means I don't know how to do it. So Shireen says मुझे खाना बनाना नहीं आता. She doesn't know how to make food, or she doesn't know how to cook.
Is there something you don't know how to do? Could you tell us in Urdu?
There are many things I don't know how to do. मुझे गाड़ी चलाना नहीं आता.
Oh, and what does that mean?
It means I don't know how to drive a car.
A thing to note about this sentence is that you'd say मुझे whatever, नहीं आता. So she said मुझे गाड़ी चलाना नहीं आता. I said मुझे खाना बनाना नहीं आता. So whether you're a man or a woman, that structure doesn't change. So another example is मुझे टायर बदलना नहीं आता. That means I don't know how to change a tire. मुझे टायर बदलना नहीं आता. Actually, that's not true because my brother recently showed me how. But if you wanted to say that, that's how you would say that.
I also can't change a timer. Okay, let's look at the rest of your response. वैसे तो मुझे खाना बनाना नहीं आता. तो मेरी अम्मी जो भी बनाती हैं वो खा लेती हूँ. तो means so. मेरी अम्मी means my mom. जो भी means whatever. Banati means she makes. To make then is banana. And to say she makes is banati. Meri ammi jo bhi banati hai. And she's referring to her ammi formally. So she used hai instead of hai. But either would have been correct. So meri ammi jo bhi banati hai means whatever my mom makes. Then she says, वो मैं खा लेती हूँ. वो मैं खा लेती हूँ literally means that I eat it.
Right. The लेती हूँ indicates the tense. This is the habitual tense. So you use this ti or ta ending.
Exactly. Ti for a woman and ta for a man. These are the endings you'd use to talk about an action that you take again and again.
We'll look at examples in a bit, but first let's look at the translation of my full response. वैसे तो मुझे खाना बनाना नहीं आता, तो मेरी अम्मी जो भी बनाती हैं, वो खा लेती हूँ. आपको खाना बनाना आता है? This means, well, I don't know how to make food, so whatever my mom makes, I eat it. Let's give you another example of this habitual tense. I get up at 6 a.m. every day. To say that in Urdu, I would say, मैं हर रोज़ 6 बजे उठती हूँ. मैं हर रोज़ 6 बजे उठती हूँ. You see that ti ending in उठती?
Mm-hmm. Okay, moving on. Then Shireen asks, आपको खाना बनाना आता है? This means, do you know how to make food? Or do you know how to cook? आपको खाना बनाना आता है? So we've seen ata and ati several times now. Ata comes from the verb ana, which means to come.
But when ata or ati is used with another verb, in this case, banana, then it means to know it. So let's look at some examples. मुझे साइकिल चलाना आता है. I know how to ride a bike. So we have the verb chalana, which in this sentence means to ride. So when we add ata or ati after a verb, it means to know. So when you add ata after chalana, it becomes to know how to ride. Chalana ata.
Another one is उसे computer इस्तेमाल करना नहीं आता है. उसे computer इस्तेमाल करना नहीं आता है. This means he or she doesn't know how to use the computer. Remember, nahi means no or not. Istemal karna means to use.
So to the question, आपको खाना बनाना आता है? Humaira responds, हाँ, मैं बड़े शौक से बना लेती हूँ. मेरी पालक पनीर ज़बरदस्त होती है. हाँ, as you may know by now, means yes. And शौक से means with enjoyment. So she says, मैं बड़े शौक से बना लेती हूँ. I make it with great enjoyment. She means to say she really likes cooking. If you recall, the word bade means very or a lot. So here, bade shauq se means with a lot of enjoyment. With great enjoyment, I make it. Then she says, Meri palak paneer zabardast hoti hai. This means, my palak paneer is fantastic. Palak paneer is a type of dish. Because it's hoti hai, you know that it's in the habitual tense. She means to say, each time I make palak paneer, it comes out fantastic. Meri palak paneer zabardast hoti hai.
Great. In amazement, Shireen responds, Acha, mujhe khani padegi ek din. This literally means, I will have to eat it one day. Ik din means one day. The will have to comes from padegi. If I want to say you have to eat, that would be aapko khana padega. So, padegi or padega means must or to have to.
Yes, and Humaira responds, Zarur. So we've heard Zarur before. It means of course. So because Humaira is speaking so highly of her cooking, I'm saying, I must try it. To which she says, of course. So that does it for this episode. Before we sign off, we'll give you a few questions to answer from this episode. Be sure to provide your answers via social media so everyone else can see or listen to them too.
Our first question is, how would you ask someone, what type of music do you like?
And our next question is, how would you say, I am trying to work?
And the last one, tell us about something you know how to do. For example, I know how to cook. Mujhe khana banana aata hai. I know how to change a tire. Mujhe tire badalna aata hai. I know how to jo bhi, whatever.
Alrighty, this brings us to the end of this episode. Thank you very much for listening. Before we let you go, we have some good news. We have a new website. Now you can simply go to urduseekhiye.com to access all the episodes and the video lessons that we produce. You can also download the PDFs directly from the website. We also have a new email address, info@urduseekhiye.com. But you can also email urduseekhiye@gmail.com if you wish. All right, until next time, Khuda Hafiz.